Hello everyone, just wanted to introduce the new baby in my nursery. She's for sale. This is a Summer Rain kit. Summer Rain new Realborn. Yeah, so she's for sale for $250 bald, $300 for rooted hair. See her hands. Come on. These are her fingers. She's a little baldy. She has rooted eyelashes. Her little feetsies. She has full limbs. So she's yeah, she has full arms and full legs. So yeah, this is her. She'll be going home with lots of stuff, lots of goodies. So anybody that wants to purchase her, please let me know. She's very cuddly. All right, goodbye.